Sorry. Hi vlog. Welcome back. And I'm going to go check if Nando still has her special. But yeah, I should have shown you my outfit. Like, this is so amateur. And again, you don't really need to see that. So yeah, this is me done. I did my makeup. Took an hour. It's 2 o'clock. Actually, it's 2:30. We're supposed to finish. We're supposed to be eating by now at the restaurant, but YOLO. Okay, so we just finished getting the Nando's from my mom. Now we're going to the lunch date. We're gonna meet Nutula at the mall. Yeah, I'm excited to eat. Because I'm hungry and I didn't have food before I left the house, which I probably should have, but then it would ruin the purpose of lunch. Then I could just get drinks, like, you know. Oh my gosh, you can get drinks now too, nah?
Yes, I can.
Because you're not breastfeeding.
Yes, babe.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, we've arrived. I'm ready to eat. We arrived. We just got here. We're gonna wait at the fountain for Nat, and then we're gonna go eat. Woo woo. Every time I'm not going to school, I always forget to charge my phone. It's the most annoying thing in the world. Look at my friend. She looks so hot. Are you kidding me? Sure. Are you kidding? I'm not gonna show you my outfit now because.
I love your nails.
Thank you. Cute, guys.
You're stunning. Thank you.
Aren't they cute? We just had a whole impromptu photo shoot thing. It's crazy, but we're finally going to go eat. Like 30 hours later. It's probably like 30 minutes, but whatever. Welcome back to my vlog, or this is just a continuation of last week's vlog because I didn't really get that much content last week. So we're just going grocery shopping, and I thought you'd like to come with. Please don't park here, please don't park here, please don't park here. Thank you. So we're going grocery shopping. We're going grocery shopping, and then we're gonna go into the mall quickly. But we're popping into Woolies first because I need sriracha from here. So let's go. You guys, I don't know anything about like wines and the other thing that's not wine, like champagne and stuff. So I really don't ever look at the section. It's not for me. Yeah, we'll go back for them. Oh, there's so many. It's not, it's just chilly. This is what we came for. We're leaving now. Little baby stuff. You plus me equals happy. I'm just here for the milk. So we're at Clearwater now. We just came from Discam and now we're going into Woolies. Let's go. Hey guys, so we just got back and I'm going to show you everything that we got because I didn't film the entire thing because it was just going to take way too long. So I'm going to show you everything that we got. I have it all laid out. Let's go. Brace yourself. Okay, first things first, we got this ice cream because I have to put it away. It was like 2 for $80, $70. I don't know, something like that. We got the vanilla one because I'll show you just now. But Got the vanilla one and the magical unicorn one, only because it says bubblegum flavor, and I really like bubblegum. Let me put that away and I'll be back. I got that because I bought this bubblegum flavored milkshake syrup thing, and okay, it smells like bubblegum. Okay. So now that the ice cream's out of the way because it melts, I'm gonna show you all the things we got from Woolies. Then I'm gonna move to the macro things because there's quite a lot of those. So we got these bananas. I don't know, they just eat a lot of bananas in this house. My mom got these yogurts. These are hers. They're really good. Super creamy. We got a lemon one because we want to try that one. We've already tried these. These are really good. And then we got this grated hard cheese. The guy from Woolies said that this is their Parmesan. So I don't know because it doesn't say Parmesan, but it looks like Parmesan. It looks pretty Parmesan-y. So we'll see about that. That's for the pasta the shrimp. The prawns that you saw earlier. Then my mom bought this passion fruit crunch. Don't know what that is. We got basmati rice. I think it was 43 Rand. It was on special or something. We got croissants, some fruit-free. What are these called? Are these hot cross buns? We got fruit-free hot cross buns because we don't like raisins. And traditional ones though. So for both of us. We got this canola oil and extra virgin olive oil. This was on promotion. I don't know how much it cost. We got these sauces. This I bought mainly for that pasta that I said I'm gonna do. So it's like shrimp and fettuccine. Actually, no, tagliatelle. Is that what you said? Tagliatelle. Okay. So I bought this for that. It's creamy cheese and garlic, and these are only like $12. And then we got 3 of these. Yeah, there's that one. They were on special. We got some barbecue spice, some barbecue sauce because I love the stuff. I like putting it in my like gravy. My mom doesn't like it, but you know, whatever. I got spices. We got some mixed herbs and Italian herbs. We got butter flavored popcorn. We got the spur sauce because we love this stuff. It's really good. Oh, this is from Woolies, but I showed you earlier. It's the sriracha. We got my favorite. Is this considered coffee? Yes. It says vanilla flavored blend of sugar, frothy milk, and coffee. It says coffee. So this is my favorite. It's the only one that I can actually drink and not get a headache afterwards. So any coffee, anything straight coffee like espresso or anything like that gives me a headache, but this doesn't. It's really good. We got chutney. We got garlic. The chutney is Mrs. Bowles. Is there any other chutney? I don't know. We got noodles because people eat these apparently when they're hungry. I don't. I hate those. So my mom got acha. We got beans, baked beans in tomato sauce. Yep. We got hot chocolate. I had 1 cup of this last month and it was gone, so that's fun. Got garlic flakes, lemon juice. I'm also gonna use some of this in the pasta, but that's normally for the chia seeds. I got some baking paper. I got these actually. I haven't had these, I think, since we used to do groceries in Norwood. I really used to like these, but then I stopped buying them because I fell in love with Cheerios, and I saw these today and I was like, we should get those. So I got those. And then we got some frozen vegetables. These were on special. There was a deal like 5 for 100. I don't remember. Actually, Macro has a catalog online, so just check that out. We got baby carrots. butternut and sweet potato. Roast veggies, we got the Mediterranean one. We got garden mix. And then we got another roast veggies, but this is just the plastic one. And then my mom bought these cheese dip thingies. These are really good, but they're like 400 calories per little thing. There's 4 servings in here. So there's 4, 8, 12. There's about 1,600 calories in here. But so I don't really like those because they're so dense and you're not gonna get full off of that. We got Glad cling wrap. We got 2 of these. We got juice boxes, grape, apple. These are not my favorite. I really like series, but they're quite pricey in comparison to these. What else? We got soups. Yeah. Then we got Stork baking margarine. Then we got Samp. And then we got a bacon, more bacon, not a bacon, more bacon. We got lean diced bacon, shoulder bacon, and then 2 streaky bacons. I prefer streaky, but I don't know, man. Then we got smoked Viennas. Not everyone likes these, but they really finish, so they eat them. We got curry leaves, 1 box. We got caramel treats because I'm planning on baking like a poke cake. If that's incorrect, I'll probably insert it on the screen. But yeah, I need this. And then more baked tomatoes. We got curry powder. We got oregano. Is that what it is? I don't fucking know. We got processed cheese because let's gain weight. Yeah. Cheddar. I don't really like cheese, but it goes on bread. So we got Gouda brick. We also got cheddar brick. I'm gonna put that in the video just for control. I put this. We normally put this in the pasta. So that's what that's for. We got steak and chops spice. And we got aromats. It's like 3 actual big tins for 80 bucks. Really cool. Yeah. And then we got sugar, 2 packs of sugar. It was on special, like 4 for 90 bucks. We got cremora because spinach. We got these. So everyone's got their own packet of my nuts. And then we got this frozen meat. We only bought 2 boxes. They were on special for like $169, but we only got 2 of them because we really prefer the fresh meat, which is what my sister's cooking right now. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so we prefer the fresh meat, but we got these because they were on special. Let me move these aside. And then we got the mother load of all pasta. So the special at Macro is 10 500-gram packets for 100 bucks. And then I got my favorite chips of all time. So instead of buying like a big chips of like a big packet of Doritos or Lay's or something, I really enjoy Cheetos. Like, they're so good. And we don't have big packets yet, so I had to get this like lunchbox packet size thing. And these are really good. These are my favorite, I think, the orange ones. But the packets normally have so many green ones. And then there's like a few, like this has a lot of these other ones. So I'm really happy with this packet. And we got 1 of those. And then the last thing we got are these cookies because, you know. So yeah, that is everything. It seems like a lot looking at it, but it's actually not that many things. It's just like, oh, that's actually not it. We also went to Discam. We got these for my sister, because girls. We got pocket tissues. These are my favorite, 27 ones. They're like 20 bucks. And then we got this big pack of 4 for like 60 bucks. So yeah, that's everything. That's everything that I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you the cleaning supplies because that's really boring. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me if you like these grocery hauls because I really like watching them, but I don't know if you guys like seeing them. So tell me the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like and subscribe. I think that's what I'm supposed to say. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!